Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you enjoy my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon given below. Paste cardboard box or shoe box, white card sheet, pink marble paper and glitter foam sheet, pencil eraser, cutter, Fevicol brush, scissor, sketch pens. Cut out all the flaps of the box. Paste the white card sheet on the outer side of the box. Spread the Fevicol with the help of a brush. Cut on all four corners on upper side. Fold the extra paper inside and paste it. Fold the extra paper and paste it on the bottom side. The marble paper on the inner side of the box. If you want to know how to make marble paper, click on the link given above. Now paste a marble paper on bottom from the inside. Cut the flap in two equal parts to make partition. Paste marble paper on the flaps. Place the prepared partition inside the box. Now the box is ready. Let's draw the design. Trace the design as shown in video. Fill it with colors. Draw the shown shape on the foam sheet to make a bow and cut it. Paste it accordingly. Now take a rectangular strip and paste it as shown in video to form a bow. Paste the bow on the box. Now a box is ready. This box can be used as a stationery organizer. It It can also be used as bedside organizer or a makeup organizer. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoy my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel This Mumma Learns and click on the bell icon below.